Bob Iaccino of Tethys Partners is joining us now to tell us what's on tap for the markets today. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing wonderfully well, and I know you keep a close watch of what's going on with oil. We're hearing reports that there is an actual oil glut happening. How will that affect investors and consumers?
Well, it should do well for both. If you think about it from a macro point of view, the short-term geopolitical spikes notwithstanding, the U.S. is a flood of oil. Canada is flooded with oil. Supplies continue to increase. U.S. is approaching the second largest producing country status. So I think that there's oil on the market, and anybody who moves oil, physical oil on ships, as Tethys does, knows that your macro view, you have to be bearish oil because there's so much of it. Having said that, the geopolitical spikes will move it up and down, but you can bet that over the next 2 to 5 years, oil prices are going to continue to head lower. Good for the consumers, good for the economy. The oil we have here creates jobs. Consumers pay lower prices at the pump. That takes that sort of implicit tax away from the consumer.
How critical will the retail sales numbers coming out today be for traders?
I think they're pretty important. The market needs something to bounce off of. We've had about 92% of the S&P report now. EPS has been good, top line revenue's been good, guidance has been fair, yet the market struggles. We're not screaming to new highs, and that's because of the geopolitical overhang. If you can get retail sales, get some of the retailers kicked in with higher guidance and higher top line numbers, that could be the next thing that sparks us higher if the geopolitics calms down a bit.
Thank you, Bob.
Thank you.